everyone, Mom 101 here. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of those mysterious odors in your home, doing it fast and not just masking the odors. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you want to see any of my new content. Now let's get right to the video. So I've got a little disclosure. The bathroom is the only place in my house where I like to use harsh chemicals because I want to fight those germs and make sure I kill all the bacteria. But sometimes I would like a little bit of nice smell or freshness when I walk in the bathroom besides those harsh chemicals that I use. So my favorite thing to do is to take a cotton ball, dip it in my favorite essential oils, and then put that inside the center of the toilet paper roll. It's gonna make your bathroom smell amazing and you're gonna wish you knew this hack sooner. Recently, I've been liking to use this cinnamon essential oils because of the holiday season, but I have used many other essential oils doing this. The next thing I want to talk about is the odor that can come from your kitchen sink. Maybe somebody poured milk down the sink and didn't run hot water down after it, or any other reason, but it's pretty simple to get rid of the odor. All you have to do is sprinkle some baking soda and then pour vinegar over it, wait a little while, and then run hot water down the sink. The odor will be gone. Do you ever have a weird odor coming from your refrigerator? Maybe you just had a big holiday that passed and there's all kinds of leftovers in the fridge, or any other reason. I've got the solution for you. Stick a container of baking soda in the fridge. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, and that will absorb all of those funky odors. Do you ever worry about your washer having a weird odor after you do a stinky load of clothes? For instance, my 1-year-old just had puke all over her sheets and I washed them, and in order to avoid any smell in my washer, I just added a little bit of vinegar to the load and bam, there was no odor. I recently started pouring it directly into my washer. I used to put it in the softener area of the washer, so if you're a little more afraid of what it could do to your clothes, even though it's never damaged mine, that's what I would recommend. Do you ever worry about how long it's going to take for your trash can to start smelling after you put leftovers or dirty diapers in it or whatever it may be? Well, you no longer have to worry. Take a Ziploc baggie, poke some holes in it, then get some Unstoppables and put a decent amount in the baggie and drop it in your trash can. Yep, just drop it right in. It's as easy as that. Every time you open your trash can, you're going to smell that freshness. Also, if you like this idea, check out my video on the many ways I use Unstoppables to make my home smell good. Does your carpet ever have a funky smell, or maybe it doesn't just smell that great, or maybe you have animals, or it's a carpet that's right in front of your front door and it just has that odor that you can't get out because you can't wash the whole carpet? Well, I've got the solution for you. In order to neutralize the smell, the only thing you have to do is sprinkle a little bit of coffee grounds on the carpet if it is a dark carpet, or baking soda if it's a lighter carpet. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes and vacuum it up, and that odor is going to be gone. As always, and especially if you've made it this far in the video, I want to thank you for sticking around. Like I said, please be sure to give me a thumbs up if you like the video and leave me a comment about what you think. I love to chat with my followers. Have a great day.